Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Surya. మీరు చూస్తున్నారు భవానీ ట్యుటోరియల్స్ అండ్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ ఛానల్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, వీడియో చూస్తున్న ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు వీడియోని లైక్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్తో షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ అలానే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్న ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని యాక్టివేట్ చేసి ఆల్ అనే ఆప్షన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. దాంతో నేను చేసే ప్రతి వీడియో మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్ అనేది వస్తుంది. ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీరు చేసే ఒక్క లైక్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ నాకు చాలా సపోర్ట్ని ఇస్తుంది. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, మన ఫస్ట్ బిట్. The number of edges from the root to the node is called dash of the tree. Option A, height. Option B, depth. Option C, length. Option D, none of this. Answer to say option B, depth. Second bit. What is a full binary tree? Option A, each node has exactly 0 or 2 children. Option B, each node has exactly 2 children. Option C, all the leaves are at the same level. Option D, each node has exactly 1 or 2 children. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, each node has exactly 0 or 2 children. Each node has exactly 0 or 2 children. Third bit. Which of the following is not an advantage of trees? Option A, hierarchical structure. Option B, faster stretch. Option C, routine algorithms. Option D, undo redo operations in a notepad. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, undo redo operations in a notepad. Fourth bit. Which one of the following is used to define the structure of the relation, deleting relations and relating schemas? Answer వచ్చేసి DML. Option B, DDL. Option C, query. Option D, relational schema. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, DDL. Fifth bit. In order to maintain transactional integrity and database consistency, what technology does a DBMS develop? Option A, triggers. Option B, pointers. Option C, locks. Option D, cursors. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, locks. Sixth bit. Using which language can a user request information from a database? Option A, query. Option B, relations. Option C, structural. Option D, compiler. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, query. Seventh bit. The keyword inverse is used in which of the following? Option A, class. Option B, attribute. Option C, relationship. Option D, all the above. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, relationship. Eighth bit. What is operating system? Option A, collection of programs collection of programs that manage hardware resources. Option B, system service provider to the application programs. Option C, link to interface the hardware and application programs. Option D, all of the above. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of the above. Ninth bit. Which memory device is generally made of semiconductors? Option A, RAM. Option B, hard disk. Option C, floppy disk. Option D, CD disk. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, RAM, random access memory. 10th bit. A complete binary tree consists 15 nodes. Then how many edges are there in the tree? Option A, 15. Option B, 20. Option C, 14. Option D, 16. Answer to say option C, 14. 11th bit. Which of the following scheduling policy is well suited for a time shared operating system? Option A, first come first serve. Option B, shortest first job. Option C, round robin. Option D, none of the above. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, round robin. 12th bit. The period of a signal is 10 milliseconds. What is its frequency in hertz? Option A, 10. Option B, 100. Option C, 1000. Option D, 10,000. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, 100. 11th bit. Which information type is used for transferring the data in packet switching? Option A, Morse. Option B, ASCII. Option C, binary. Option D, none. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, binary. 14th bit. Which connections does the OSI model supports in networking? Option A, connection oriented. Option B, connectionless. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, both A and B. 15th bit. In a semiconductor, which of the following carriers can contribute to the current? Option A, electrons. Option B, holes. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, both A and B, electrons and holes. 16th bit. In which of the following semiconductor the concentration of the holes and electrons is equal? Option A, intransis. Option B, extransis. Option C, compound. Option D, elemental. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, intransis. 17th bit. Initially, the p-type carriers are located to the dash of the semiconductor. Option A, right. Option B, left. Option C, middle. Option D, top. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, left. 18th bit. Which capacitor store high amount of energy? Option A, air capacitor. Option B, paper capacitor. Option C, mica capacitor. Option D, plastic film capacitor. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, mica capacitor. 19th bit. When the temperature of either N-type or P-type increases, determine the movement of the position of the film energy levels. Option A, towards up of energy gap. Option B, towards down of energy gap. Option C, towards center of energy gap. Option D, towards out of phase. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, towards center of energy gap. 20th bit. Which type of addressing schemas is used in messaging switching? Option A, hierarchical addresses. Option B, geographical addresses. Option C, manual addresses. Option D, all of the above. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, geographical addresses. Thanks for watching.